Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Pixlr account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in pixlr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pixlr website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top section and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in order to change your email address, click on your username at the top section once again. And now, from the profile page, click on the edit button alongside your current email address. Once you click on this, you will be asked to enter your desired new email address. Go ahead and type it in and click on the update button. Once you do this, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to the new email address. So log into the email address that you just entered and you will find your Pixlr verification code. Just type in this code and then click on the verify button. And now your email address will successfully be changed within your Pixlr account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on your Pixlr account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.